Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside your Wix account, sign in and go straight to account settings, then billing and payments. Once there, pick subscriptions so you see active plans tied to your site. Make sure the correct site and payment method are on screen. This avoids canceling the wrong plan. You're doing this now to stop future charges, so double-check dates and plan types. If you see multiple subscriptions, note which one lists the domain or premium plan you want removed. Once you've identified the subscription, click Manage or the three-dot menu and select Cancel Plan. Follow each on-screen prompt, confirm cancellation, select reason, and accept any terms about access ending. Wix will show whether you're eligible for a refund or if service continues until the paid period ends. Make a note of that date. After confirming, check for an email receipt. If the cancel button is grayed out, refresh and try again, or move to account. After canceling, verify you received a confirmation email and that the subscription no longer appears as active under billing right arrow subscriptions. If charges continue, gather invoices and payment records, then contact Wix support. Explain the steps you took and include screenshots. This speeds resolution. If you intended to keep the site under a different owner, transfer ownership before canceling to avoid downtime. One key tip: clear browser cache or try an incognito window if the subscription status doesn't update immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.